Hello Miss Irene and everyone. How are you? I hope you guys are fine. And this time I will present about medical insurance. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. My name is Yohanes Niko Setiawan and I'm from Management Study Program 4th semester STIE Gentiaras. Point 1. What the meaning of medical insurance? Medical insurance is a protection insurance that covers medical, surgical, drug, and similar costs for the insured or policy holder. This insurance can cover medical expense due to illness or injury, as well as pay for medical care costs directly. For example, you have a fever and check yourself in a hospital. After being examined by a doctor, it turns out that you need to check the laboratory and also buy medicines for the healing process. Well, the cost you incur during this treatment process can be partially or completely reimbursed if you have health insurance. However, the amount of costs covered and the service provided by health insurance will vary depending on the benefit list in your insurance policy. So make sure to read the insurance policy carefully before deciding to buy it. Point 2. How does medical insurance work? Health insurance works by protecting your finances from health risks that may occur during the term of the policy. In other words, when you get sick, you transfer the financial risks to the insured instead of bearing it yourself. In simple terms, it works like this. You buy health insurance with a premium of 100,000 rupiah, which is paid every month. So, when you are sick and spend money on a medical expense, health insurance will cover those costs. The replacement can be direct, cashless, or with a reimbursement system. The amount of fees reimbursed depends on the agreement in the policy that you have chosen. Point 3. Why do we need medical insurance? As we know, the cost of medical treatment in Indonesia is not cheap. For certain types of disease, medical expense can even drain the wallet until it is not left. That is why it is important to have financial protection from these risks. Having health insurance can ease the burden on your mind when you are sick. Imagine if you have to stress thinking about the cost of medical treatment when you are physically weak. What exists is that the healing process will be longer and the cost of treatment will actually swell. Just like the rain that comes suddenly, no one knows when it will hit us. Well, this health insurance function is the same as an umbrella in a bag. When sick comes, we will not bother and panic about the cost because we have prepared ourselves beforehand. Better prevent that to cure, is not it? Point 4. What are the types of medical insurance in Indonesia? In Indonesia, there are several types of health insurance that you can choose. 1. Medical insurance based on the type of treatment. A. Inpatient. This medical insurance will cover hospital costs when we have to be hospitalized. B. Outpatient. This insurance will cover the cost of medical treatment without having to be hospitalized. For examples, a doctor diagnosis, laboratory checks, or the purchase of medicines. 2. Medical insurance based on the organizing body. A. Government. This medical insurance is issued and managed by the government. For example, BPJS. B. Private. Medical insurance managed by a private entity. 3. Health insurance based on the insured. A. Personal. Health insurance that provides benefit to one individual only. B. Collective or group. Health insurance that provides benefit to a group of individuals, such as a family or company. Point 5. How far is the development of medical insurance in Indonesia? In 2018, the Central Statistic Agency recorded that of the 262 million Indonesian population, 208 million of them are equivalent to 79.4% were covered by health insurance. Point 6. What are the popular insurance companies in Indonesia? 1 is Prudential, B is Allianz, C is Manulife, D is Sinarmas, D is AIA, and others. I think enough presentation about medical insurance from me. Sorry if there are mistakes in words or pronunciation. See you and thank you.